What's up YouTube, my name is Chef Marvin Duarte. Welcome to my channel, Cuisine Teen. Today I'll be making some delicious chicken thighs coming up. Alright, so here we have our ingredients. We have a couple of chicken thighs, we have some Worcestershire sauce, we have a couple of asparagus, we have 4 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of turmeric, and a tablespoon of chili flakes. We got a bundle of cilantro, we have some salt, we have half a white onion, we have 3 potatoes, we have a couple of carrots, and we have like a tablespoon or 2 of oil. Alright, so, and we have also a lemon. So we will start with our marinade for our chicken, which are all these spices, the cilantro, our oil, and our salt. So we have here pesto morto, and we're gonna just, grind this up.
2,000 years later.
I've added my garlic in here, and we'll also be mashing it. If you don't have one of these, you could also just blend it in a blender. This is really nice to take out all your anger. And then we'll be adding all of our spices in here as well. A touch of salt and some lemon juice. Alright guys, so you can come see, look at that. After I added the oil and half of a lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, it becomes a nice consistency. So this little paste thing will be going into our chicken thighs. I added a pinch of salt, and I added our spice rub, our spice mix, and also 2 tablespoons of oil. So we'll just be adding this into our chicken thighs, and we'll be mixing it. So now we'll just be mixing it, getting it nice and incorporated, massaging our chicken because chickens like massages. So we'll just massage our chicken for a little bit, get all those flavors in there. We'll also put some Worcestershire sauce in there for extra flavor. All those spices smell marvelous, man. It smells awesome. Alright, we'll be adding some Worcestershire sauce. Couple splashes. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And if you wanted to, you could let this marinate for a couple of hours or maybe overnight too, and it would be very good. So I'm gonna go wash my hands and we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna start on our cast iron. You see, this is why I didn't make I didn't char my things on this one, because it's really small. But I'm gonna do the chicken there. I'm gonna do it like 2 pieces at a time, and then I will put them in another pan, and then I'll incorporate the potatoes and the carrots afterwards. So I just want to get color on them right now, about 2 minutes each side. If you're using a cast iron skillet, once they're done, it's just gonna easily unstick. Right now it's probably a little hard, but once it's done, it will easily unstick. Alright guys, so we got our chicken fried. Now we gotta get our onions in. And don't throw away the marinade, because we're gonna be using it for like a little sauce, kind of. So we're trying to get these onions nice and translucent. And we're also going to add our potatoes here and our carrots. Alright, so I added my potatoes and my carrots in and I salted them. So now I'm going to add my asparagus. This is just a little recipe I decided to cook right now. Just for the sake of making a video. If y'all have any other videos y'all want me to do, like reviews of food or something like that, also put it in the comment section. I'm just doing this because, you know, like I said, just for the sake of a video. But it's looking pretty nice, you know. So right now, in a few minutes, I'm gonna let this sit here for a little bit, stirring occasionally, and then I'm gonna add our chicken and some of our marinade. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now is add our chicken in. We're gonna add our chicken. So it finishes cooking. Look at all that nice chicken, man. All those juices, man. It's gonna be delicious. Make sure to cover it so everything cooks nicely. So just like stir it a little bit and then like with a cover. Like this one. Just cover it. Alright guys, so here we have it. Our chicken. Look at that. So what I did was like I showed you, I placed the chicken and everything in there, and then I put the marinade in there. I put a little bit of water in there as well. I seasoned it with some salt. You season as you go. You taste. You make sure it has enough salt that you like, you know. And then what I did was I covered it and I let it sit there for like 20 minutes till it was cooked. And now it is ready to be served. So we will go to the serving table. Alrighty guys, the moment has come so we can taste this awesome chicken. I don't have rice today, but you can make some rice at home. Alright, so we're going to grab some potatoes, some chicken, and we're just going to give it a little taste. Alrighty. The chicken is really soft. It's nice and juicy. It's not dry at all. Oh, and the potatoes, I didn't peel the potatoes. I just left them with the skin on. So yeah, it's a really good recipe. Something that I just randomly came up with. I was trying to think of what to make for today's video. And yeah, I just came up with this. So, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any ideas for me to make any more videos on my channel, please in the comment section below or my Instagram, chef.marvin4. And God bless you. I'll see you next time.